So we are the Cardiff Youth Service Discord server, basically an online youth club that exists on the social media app Discord. With this server, we've been able to take youth work to young people. So the young people that perhaps weren't leaving the house, they wouldn't walk into a youth club, we've been able to go to them. To be honest, a lot of these young people have never engaged with youth work before and probably wouldn't have if it wasn't for the server.
My anxiety gets very overwhelmed very easily, so having it on my phone, it doesn't make me anxious and it's very easy to communicate. So being in that group is like a little friend group that I've now got.
I think it's given me a bit more of just a confidence of going out and being more social. Being able to meet all these new people has been incredible for me, as I don't leave the house a lot, and just gives us all kind of a sense of belonging.
We're moving more and more towards a digital world, and we've been able to give them a safe space within that world, because the internet's crazy, there's all sorts of stuff going on out there for them. But we've been able to create an online youth club where they feel safe and relaxed, and I think most importantly empowered. Is completely, it's their zone, it's their place.